Today, I'm going to help you solve a common issue on PrizePicks, fail to verify identity. If you're encountering this problem while trying to use PrizePicks, don't worry. I'll walk you through the steps to fix it. Before we begin, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials and troubleshooting guides. First, let's clarify what fail to verify identity means on PrizePicks. This error typically occurs when there is an issue with the information you provided during the identity verification process. PrizePicks requires this verification to ensure compliance with legal and security standards. The first thing you should do is double check the information you've entered on PrizePicks. Make sure your name, address, date of birth, and other personal details match the information on your identification documents. Verify that there are no typos or discrepancies in the information provided. If you're confident that your information is correct but you're still seeing the error, the next step is to contact PrizePicks support. Go to the PrizePicks website or app and find the customer support section. Reach out to the support team via email or live chat. Explain that you're experiencing a fail to verify identity error and provide them with any relevant details, such as your account information and the steps you've already taken. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.